Hi, so this is gonna be a video tutorial on how to make a floppy center using a combination of this glittered ball and the Crafty Sagittarius floppy center components. So we have component 1 and then we have component 2. They're all different components, and we have component 3. So let's set this aside. Let's work on the component 1. So as you can see here, I already folded this one so that hoping it would be faster, and this one is the other similar component that I'm gonna be showing you how I did this fold. So you remember this line here, we can fold our floppy center. It's not making it we're not making a half fold, but we intend to lay this edge here up to this line. So this will create a different texture and texture on your floppy center than the normal floppy center that I'm doing. So I'm just trying to make it as straight as I can, and then while I am straightening it up, I also pinch it and glide my fingers up to the tip where I can put the crease on. So now that it's folded, what we can do is to glue this edge together like so. So we're doing it right now. And continue until you finish it. Like so. So what we are going to do now, you can glue the same thing, but I would rather do it while, you know, this is fresh from being glued, or else it will become more stiff. So what I'm trying to do, squeeze glue here and wrap this component around your center. And continue doing it until finish. So now we can move along to the second part. Let's do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, finally it's finished. So just glide your thumb on it and try to massage it so that it would be easier for you to wrap this one around your center. So continue from where you stopped earlier. Just continue wrapping it around. So now we have our first layer. This alone can be made as your center, but I wanted to continue exploring, you know, the rest of the components. So let's do it. So using whatever tools you can, I'm gonna use my husband's tool here. This is like a screwdriver, small ones, and especially with tiny flowers or this kind of project, this is my favorite tool to use to curl this one. So we are doing this so that we'll have more layers into our center, or more texture also. So 1 and then 2. So all in all, I uses 3 sheets of paper for this center. You know, it's a bit too much, but if you are planning to make a nice paper flower, might as well do a grand center. So we already curl our second layer. Let's wrap this one around our flappy center, like so. Continue doing it and untangle all those, you know, tangled centers, and try to massage it upward that you can showcase your the details of your center. So I think I over curl it. I'm gonna try to bring it back to the old state. So I'm gonna continue wrapping this around. And we will untangle it once we finish doing this. It's a bit challenging to glue this one because of the details of the center. There's a tendency that it would tangle up like this. So just, you know, slightly arrange it and untangle those that are tangled together. So once we finish doing that, I think it would be nicer if we will just, you know, bring this center upward. You know, this is my first time also that I do this center, so please bear with me. Let's learn together. Yeah, I think it's so much nicer if, you know, we're curling it upward instead of downward, because it's already low. So, you know, you can see if it really looks good or not. So I think it looks so much better that we bring this one upward. So now we can do and continue wrapping our third layer. I'm not doing anything on the third layer. I just let it, you know, glide out and see how it would fall into our center. And I think not doing anything on it really works so great. I like it. So as you can see, we have different layer of goodness here. So let's continue our third layer. And just wrap it around. Your ball or your flappy center. So there you have it. I guess it really looks so nice, and it has lots of textures on it. If we want, we can also, you know, try making this larger ones curl outward. So really to make, you know, create a texture and dimension into our flappy center. So I guess it turns out really good that we flap these layers outward. So this is now our flappy center with all this combination of flappy center components plus the glittered bowl center. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any question or comment, be free to message me, put in the comment section below, or you can go to my Instagram. I'm so much more responsive there. So bye for now, until next tutorial. Bye.